Good morning, children. Welcome to English for Class 8. This session, today's topic is slightly difficult, but no problem. You read again and again, you will understand. It's very important, children. Afterwards, also, it will help you. You get a question on this. You'll get it. You'll get question on this in 9th class, 10th class, 11th class. Okay, so learn, write down. So let's begin reported speech. You must have heard of direct speech, indirect speech. Yes, that is the one we are talking about. When we use reported speech, we are referring to something that was said either by ourselves or by someone else in the past. An example of this might be, he said that he was going shopping. This type of speech is used very frequently during both spoken and written examples of English, and it is an important part of language which any English student will find. So, any English student will find useful to learn. In this section, we are going to look at types of reported speech as well as how we can use it. Okay, reported speech, what is the definition? Reported speech is often called indirect speech in English. Learn useful grammar rules in relation to reported speech with example sentences and ESL printable worksheets. Okay, when we use reported speech, we are usually talking about the past. Obviously, the person who spoke originally spoke in the past. The verbs therefore usually have to be in the past too. For example, I have lost my umbrella. He said, that is optional. If you want, you can write. He said that he had lost his umbrella. Have has changed into had. Present tense changes into past tense. Okay, tense changes in reported speech. Learn how to use direct and indirect speech and tense changes when using reported speech. When changing from direct to indirect speech, you need to change the grammar in certain ways. Verb tense forms usually need what? To change. Okay, see, present simple tense into past simple, present continuous changes into past continuous, present perfect changes into past perfect, present simple changes into past perfect tense, past continuous into past perfect. Okay, so we'll see some examples so that you understand. Will into would, all these things are something to remember, will have been, changes into would have been. You have to by heart these, you have to remember. Can changes into could. Okay, have to becomes had to, must changes into must or had to, may into might. Okay, should, the verb remains unchanged, might remains unchanged. Okay, now change in time and place, very important. Learn how to use time and place in reported speech. Let's have a look. Time and place references often have to change in indirect speech. Very important, children. Note this down. There is no other way out. You have to by heart this. Otherwise, you cannot answer the question on reported speech. You have to note down and by heart this. Now changes into then, now direct speech, then indirect speech. So make two columns, write direct, indirect. Now changes into what? Then, today, that day, here, there, this, that, tomorrow, the following day, the next day or the day after. All the three are correct, can be used. Next week, the following week, the next week, the week after. Yesterday, the previous day, the day before. Last week, previous week, the week before. Ago becomes previously or before. Tonight changes into that night. So, all this you have to note down and by heart. There is no other way to remember. No change in verb tenses in reported speech. Okay. The introductory verb is in the present tense, the present perfect or future tense. See, if the reported sentence deals with a fact or a general truth, yes, the tense doesn't change. Yes? See, for example, I'll tell you, the sun rises in the east. Every day it rises in the east. Can it rise in the west? No. So, The tense will always be present tense. That is called universal truth. The reported sentence contains a time clause. The verb of the sentence is in the unreal past, the second or the third. The subjunctive stays unchanged. Had, better, could, would, mustn't. These words remain unchanged. Now, list of introductory verbs in reported speech. Tell, say, ask. Verb plus that plus cause plus complain plus deny, whatever, exclaim. Yeah. So, verb when you're boasting of something. Verb plus to plus infinitive, agree, offer, etc. So, this you have to read and note and understand, okay? Note down all these. So, note down. See, you can see two columns there, direct speech, indirect speech. She always wears a coat. How do you change it to indirect speech? He said that she always wore a coat. Present tense changes into past tense. I am looking for my keys. She said that she was looking for keys. Present continuous changes into past continuous. She has written 3 letters for her friend. See, it changes into past perfect. He said that she had written 3 letters for her friend. See, then, my friend gave me a bar of chocolate. He said that his friend had given him a bar of chocolate. I will finish my report in 2 days. He said that he would finish his report in 2 days. Can changes to could. I can speak English. She said that she could speak English. I may invite them to dinner. She said that she might invite them to the dinner. Must go to the bank and get some money. She said that she had to go to the bank and get some money. I have to submit this assignment by 3 p.m. tomorrow. She said that she had to submit these assignments by 3 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, see time and place in reported speech. This I have already said, isn't it? Now changes into then, today, that day. This is something which you have to by heart and remember. Now I'll show you some examples, okay? The children are playing outside now. He said that the children were playing. Are changes into were. I have got a piano lesson today. I've got a piano lesson today. Today, see, she said that she had got a piano lesson that day. Have got changes into had got. Yes. So, put the box here. He told us to put the box there. I shall be very busy this week. She said that. She shall changes into should. She said that she would. Sorry, would. It changes into would. She would be very busy that week. The following day changes into what? Just see that. I leave for New York tomorrow. She said that she would leave for New York the next day. I have an appointment next week. She said that she had an appointment for the following week. See, next week changes into following week. Our English teacher quizzed us yesterday. That means she asked so many questions. They said their English teacher had quizzed them. Last week changes into what? The previous week. Ago. The letter came a few days ago. He said the letter had come a few days before. Just note what changes into what. Which tense changes into which tense. I'm going for a beer with Carrie tonight. He said that he was going for a beer with Carrie that night. See, no changes. He says, I will come. He says that he will come. Copernicus, the planets revolve round the sun. Copernicus stated that the planets revolve round the sun. Universal truths do not change. She said his parents died while he was still at school. She said that his parents died while he was still at school. He said, if I won the lottery, I would travel around the world. He said that he would travel around the world if he won the lottery. The children said, we wish we didn't have to take exams. The children said that they wished they didn't have to take exams. What did the teacher say? He says we should write our lessons carefully. He said Anne might ring today. He said that Anne might ring that day. So children, note down all these things, go through whatever I taught you. It is slightly difficult, whatever you're supposed to learn by heart. I'll give you assignment. The same thing you write again and again, at least 2 times, whatever you have written. Okay, that is your assignment. That's all. Thank you.